Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Hold up guys, like you can barely even see me. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry. I just had to make a few adjustments. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from Family Dollar and like one thing I got from a pharmacy. So yeah, let's just go. Okay. So we have what I'm seeing now is this LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Concentrated Cleaner, degreaser and spot removal. So I'm like, well, I can use this in my bathroom, and it was only $1. So I'm like, I haven't smelled it yet, and my mom actually used to use this. Oh yeah, definitely. Ooh. Chemically smelling, good to clean your bathroom with, yes. And then I'll show you. And then we have this Dawn Platinum, there's a liquid. It's not even filled to the top, which I'm like, it's $150, and I'm like, ugh. Don't even get me started. And we have this toilet bowl cleaner brush, but I'm gonna use it in my tub, on my tub. And it's just like a bowl brush, but you can use this in your tub, on your tub, because what's it gonna hurt? So I'm thinking like I'm gonna use all this stuff in the tub. If you guys want to see like a cleaning video, let me know, because I have nothing better to do, so let me know. And then we have this Homeline automatic toilet bowl cleaner, fights hard water stains, cleans and deodorizes with every flush. And then directions, this is clean the bowl thoroughly, including under the rim, close bowl cover, remove toilet tank top, remove one tablet from package, flush toilet, wait until level is low and valve is closed, drop tablet into corner of tank away from toilet mechanism, and allow 10 minutes prior to flushing. When color disappears, replace with the new Homeline. Yeah. So it has this picture. So I guess I have to like clean the toilet, remove like the back of the toilet, flush it, and then wait till like the level is low, and then drop the tablet into like a corner of the tank. So I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. Yeah, they're just like these little toilet bowl cleaners, and this was only $1. So I thought I picked up 2. Guess I didn't. So yeah. And then we have these wax melts. This one I got from the pharmacy, and this one I got from Family Dollar. This was only $3, and this was $6. So I'll show you. These come with 6, and these both come with 6, but these are like, if you compare them, these are like huge. I love how on the back how it says not for human consumption. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says not for human consumption, so don't eat these. And then we have these Febreze lemons orders and freshens wax melts. It's the Moonlight Breeze, guys. This is my favorite scent. It's like so like sweet, but like I don't know. I love this scent. And then this one is the Break Apart Herbal Melt Cinnamon Hazelnut Latte. This is 100% natural wax, and this wax is sweeping wax. Let me just. Oh, guys, this smells so good. It literally smells like coffee. And you guys can see there's like little tiny coffee beads inside. It smells so good. But yeah, that was about it. like I don't this was like a short simple video. I got some products that I wanted to film. If you guys are like looking at the back of my bed, I'm slowly but surely going to like wash my like clothes and my sheets and blankets. I was gonna get like another cover thing, twin set cover, but it was like, I mean, it wasn't that expensive, but it only came with, it came with a comforter. It didn't come like with new sheets. So maybe next time I'm gonna get the comforter and buy some like sheets and like a new pillow, because I need some new pillows, big pillows. And it was the color pink, and yeah, like I'm looking for like a blue comforter set. Maybe they have it on Amazon. I'm gonna look it up. But yes, so give this video a thumbs up. Peace out, have fun, or try to. I know we like all on lockdown, but yes, I will see you next time. Bye.